G'day, it's Adrian here from Using Technology Better with another tip inside the Gmail space. Now sometimes we send an email and we hit the send button and we suddenly go, oh my goodness, there's a typo there. Or we might be tired and had a certain tone to that email that's not appropriate and we hit send but wish we could pull it back. Now inside Gmail we can use the undo send feature to do that. Now to make sure that you've got it activated, come to your settings, go see all settings, and then up the top here is undo send, and you've got a couple of settings. You can do a 5 second, 10 second, 20 second or 30 second. Now I personally like the 5 second because that's long enough for me, but other people like it a bit longer. So let me change it to 30 seconds and then we'll come down to the bottom and we've got to save. This is probably one of the areas inside the Google space that we need to save our changes. We've got our changes here. Now let's see how this works. I'm going to compose an email. And it'll open up my composition window here. I'm going to send it to Sam. And I'm just going to say cakes. I can say to her, bring cake on Friday. We're ready to go. And just go send. I suddenly go, you know what? That's a bit rude because I should have said, hi Sam, please bring cake. So I can now come down to undo and it brings that message back. So the message actually hasn't left my inbox yet. If I come up here and go, hi Sam, and then go, please bring cake on Friday. And then I can say thank you and send. That's a lot nicer and it's still holding that in that pattern. So just be remembering that that email holds there for 30 seconds before it disappears. So you've got that time to bring it back if you want to. It can save a bit of embarrassment, saves those typos and makes your life a little bit more manageable should something go slightly belly up.